G'day gang, how you going? Skypilot here. Well, if you look at my last HGLRC MotoWhoop 85 video, you'll notice it was doing some quite infrequent flips and rolls without me actually being in horizon mode or anything. Completely at random. So I've gone onto Betaflight and done an update and just a general look around. Couldn't see anything wrong, so I'm going to have a fly now and see if it does it again. 400 milliwatts VTX. I've got a rush antenna on the back there. All the gears listed below, folks. Smash that thumbs up and enjoy the flight. Fingers crossed it doesn't flip by itself. Try and avoid the trees, and let's go down to where I was having some difficulty, which is just down here. Oh, there we go. No, it's still doing it. How very peculiar. You have a look, guys. So I'll just travel along like normal. A bit of a spin left and right. Forward, stop, down. Okay, so when you go down, so you've done a little bit of a push up, then you back right off, you go forward again. Get the jitters. Let's get the jitters a bit. There we go. There's one right there. It's certainly not flying properly, is it? It's also shaking a little bit too. You see how it's shaking? That shouldn't be shaking like that. There we go, there's one there. Completely out of the blue. Interesting. And there's another one. Okay. I think maybe my gyros are knackered or something like that. Something's definitely not right. Yeah, okay. It's really not behaving as smoothly as it should, which leads me to think that there's something wrong. Okay, low battery, let's head back up again. Yeah, oh there we go, there's one right there, okay. Alright. Not too sure, guys. I will investigate further. I'm sure it's something simple. It has taken a couple of knocks, so maybe I've upset the gyro in it, I'm not sure. If you guys have any ideas, much appreciated. I will get to the bottom of it because I love flying this thing, it's really cool. See you next time.